Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings as well as some product reviews. So if you enjoy that type of content, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. Guys, I'm really excited because today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is Just Add Vino. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it and then we will get into the unboxing. So you kind of guess this is a wine-based subscription, but it is, they say, we have the gifts, you provide the vino. You add the wine. Unique gifts for wine lovers. Now you can get this for as low as $55 a month. You're going to receive 4 to 6 high-quality items every month. They can be whimsical, fun, and sometimes sarcastic. All items are sourced in support of small businesses in the USA. I think that is fantastic. When I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. There's a different theme each month. And let's get in here. I do know that the theme for January, how appropriate, is like champagne. So we are going to open the box. And it's all fun and festive when you open it. And we've got our squigglies and a little note card. And it says, you were my cup of tea, but I drink champagne now. And it says, Happy January. And it does go over the items that are in the box. It does not give pricing, but it does tell us the items that are in the box. And it looks like we got 4 items this month. So let's dive in and see what they are. This first item, is it? It is. It's a candle. That's the weight of my heart right there. Oh, and it says Premium Soy Wax Tipsy Candle Company, handmade in... Oh my gosh, y'all. This is handmade right here where I live in Wilmington, North Carolina. That is awesome. And it is in the scent of champagne. Oh, it smells good. It's a wooden wick. You can tell it's made with a glass bottle. Repurposed wine bottle. Premium soy wax, embossed seal, wooden wick, wine scent. I am so excited. That is amazing. So it says Tipsy Champagne Candle, and this is a good size. I would say this is at least, does it tell me anywhere on here? I would say at least like a 9 ounce. So that is very, very nice. And it smells really good. I'm so excited about that. That's a great way to start this box. I do want to say thank you so very much to Just Add Vino. They did send this to me for review, so I do greatly appreciate it. All right, and then we have a carry-on cocktail kit, the champagne cocktail. This has elderflower syrup, half-ounce jigger, bar spoon, and a linen coaster. So that is cute. All right. And then let's see, we have some coasters. Run like there's champagne at the finish line. That's cute. There's 4 of them. They're very pretty. I like the white and the like gold foil. All right, and our final item, big boy. We got some champagne flutes. It's a set. I don't have champagne glasses, I don't think. So I'm actually really happy to have this. And let's see. These are actually shatterproof stemless champagne glasses. So that is really nice. You don't have to worry about it breaking. You don't have to... you know, it's not just one. You have the pair, which is really great. So yeah, I like it. Let's see. They're dishwasher safe, microwave safe, freezer safe, 5-ounce capacity. So yay for our wine glasses, or champagne glasses. And run like there's champagne at the finish line. And this, I love this, the little carry-on cocktail kit. That's nice. Let's see if we open it. The champagne cocktail. And all the items are here in a little bag. And it says, procure a mini bottle of champagne and a fresh lemon wedge. Using the jigger, measure 1/2 ounce of elderflower syrup into the cup. Add mini bottle of champagne and squeeze the lemon wedge into the cup. Gently stir for 3 seconds and enjoy. So it gives you the ingredients, or the directions and the items needed to make a little cocktail on the plane. So I'll be putting this in my suitcase. Or actually my carry-on. And then this, y'all, this just, I can't stop grinning, smiling from ear to ear with this. It smells so good, and it's from my hometown, and I just love it, and it's wine themed. What? How did I not know that these were here? So, I think this was a really good box. I think it had a good variety of items. We got champagne glasses, we got the candle, we got a carry-on kit, coasters. I mean, I think it's really neat. Like, this is a really neat concept. So, I really liked this. Candle, definitely hands down my favorite. You probably figured that already. What was your favorite item in this box? Like I said, I'll put a link down below if you would like to check out, just to add Vino. It does make a great gift for a wine lover. And we do have Valentine's Day coming up, so you might want to hop on it. Just saying. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.